Okay, let me explain the point for this one. Normally setting like this. Let's hook on. Okay, and then when you want to increase the volume for the gyoza meat, this put in and then go up. So if you do a couple times, so that you can see the more volume of the gyoza. But if you do more, can be more. So like plus minus 1 gram, 2 gram can be possible. But if you do too much, the skin will be breaked. If you do less, the skin is not close well. So adjusting carefully. Okay, just go down. And then this location, the can be these two can be adjustable to go more right to more left, which means that where stay with skin, which make the balance for the clothing the same location. And then this metal will be 4 pieces inside, 1 is outside and 3 is inside, so which is collecting for the balance of the where this gyoza stop it. If the gyoza more this way, so the balance of this amount will be changing. So the how close to the top and then how same balance as the right and the left can be adjustable from this to change the metal plate number, or this how goes to how much right, how much left. Okay, so I'm adjusting the gyoza. This is from the skin nanka semen. Looks pretty nice, I think. And even I do gyoza, making it from the myojo will work. Hold on. Okay, this is a myojo skin.